I have to admit, I'm pretty proud of myself because back in December last year, when I recorded my predictions video for this year, my 2026 predictions, I had one prediction where I mentioned that I think that this year the software developer market will get better, also for juniors. And what can I say? This chart, which we probably all know, the software development job postings on Indeed in the United States for the last couple of months doesn't look too bad. Now, of course, to be fair, the overall chart still not the kind of chart that gives you the best vibes and feeling. I will admit that. But hey, look at this upward trend. And I'm not being sarcastic here. I really mean it. And it's kind of strange because on the one hand, right now in my bubble, it totally feels like this entire AI for software development thing is accelerating. I mean, we got all these tools like Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, GitHub Copilot, OpenCode, and by the way, I got courses on Codex, Claude Code, GitHub Copilot, and Cursor, and I'll put my links below. Shameless plug if you want to learn how to use them efficiently, because I've been working with these tools for the last year, the last months, and I shared my views before. I think it's a must-have for every developer. You should use these tools. You should use AI for coding. It is amazing. It's also totally different. And then at the same time, I'm predicting that the job market will get better, and at least in the last couple of weeks and months, it looks like, yeah, I mean, you can't deny that there is an upward trend here, right? Now, of course, you could say, yeah, that trend will stop and things will go down again. And yeah, obviously, my crystal ball is kind of broken, so I can't look into the future. But there are good reasons why this is changing. And the number one reason is also one you probably heard before. I shared it before. This part here, that was the pandemic. Companies massively overhired back then. So this year, this decline has nothing to do with AI. Of course, now we live in a world where AI plays a huge role, and I definitely see companies being hesitant about hiring, especially about hiring junior developers. At the same time, I think companies are realizing, for one, that AI right now is not that magical thing that really allows them to replace all their employees. And again, I don't know what will be the case in 10 years and what we will do. I don't see a future where humans don't do any work anymore and are not employed anymore. I don't know, but I think we always adapted. We will adapt. Our jobs will simply change. And for software developers, it is changing. I mean, that is my entire point with these tools. The way I write code drastically changed, and it's still all about having those skills as a developer, about being able to architect software, being able to steer the AI, being able to review and judge the code. That is more important than ever. And I believe, and I shared that in that video here too, I believe companies are realizing that AI is not that thing that allows them to replace employers. Instead, they want to combine both. And they want software engineers, including junior developers, to use and leverage these AI tools, which is why I also shared in that same video, and I'm sorry that I'm repeating myself here, that of course, as a developer, you must be able to efficiently use these tools if you want to get a job. No matter which one, the best tool changes all the time. I have heavily worked with all of them because it's part of my job and I like learning new stuff. And I can tell you they're all great. I can get awesome results out of all of them. I do like them all. Codex is amazing, especially with their desktop app. Claude Code is amazing. Yeah, you get my point. But you should at least learn one of these tools, and most importantly, learn how to use that tool. And if you learned one, shifting to another tool is not that difficult, just as it's pretty easy to move from one JavaScript framework to another because the core ideas are typically the same. Obviously, there are differences here and there, some features that exist in one tool but not in another, but hey, you can use my course for that. Anyways, you must be able to use AI if you want to get a job. But then I think junior developers can have one big advantage compared to senior developers for companies, so from a company's perspective. In theory, a senior developer who uses AI is amazing or can be amazing. But at the same time, of course, junior developers right now in time are probably more likely to be AI native. You may have used it in college and university. You may have used it for learning to code or for boosting your learning process. So it is absolutely possible that you know way more about working with AI than some of those established developers do. The senior developers do. Of course, not all of them. It's never all of them, but some of them. And I think that can be a huge plus going forward in this year and in general for junior developers being AI native. And I know, buzzword alarm, it's all buzzwords, it's all hype. Don't get me wrong, but the technology is here. It's useful and it's here to stay. And therefore, adapting means learning how to efficiently work with it, with or without a course, that doesn't matter, but learning how to efficiently work with it. And then I think things may continue to look good going forward in this year. And nobody knows what will be the case in 2 or 3 years. But let's be honest, that was true a couple of years ago too. The best we can do right now, or you can do, is get the most out of the current situation. Because just to be super clear here too, if AI will ever take all jobs by all developers, it will not stop there. So yeah, that is not really switching into another job might be that safe option you would hope it to be. So for now, I'm really just quite happy that my prediction here, right now at least, seems to be coming true.